Let's make a bag to hold a birthday gift. I want this to be the outside and this to be the inside. I'm gonna take this piece. We're gonna line it up over here. Got my 2 pieces. Also gonna do the straps really quick. I'm just gonna double that up. Matches nicely. Those are gonna be my straps. Now we're gonna flip these inside out. Sick. That actually turned out very nice. Got my 2 straps. Let's see about attaching everything. Okay, I'm gonna watch another tutorial on that. I should probably give everything a bit of a iron real quick. That's done. Realizing I probably should have just made it more like this the whole time. That was fine. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of rewatch that video again and serge everything together. So it says I don't need a serger, I'm just supposed to sew it apparently. So let's try it with the sewing machine. Sew along sides. I'm gonna go over that 2 times because I want these to be extra strong. Okay, got it.
Alright, I think everything's now finished.
Gorgeous.
I think.
Can't wait to hear it.
Hopefully that is the case.
I hope so.
As my mother always told us that. Go on, dear.
Outside of the bag, and says turn it right side out. Get it. And then mark 2 inches. Marked on both sides. Okay, all of those are attached. Have this like this. Place the bag inside this. Wrong side out bag. Place inside. Okay. Checking the straps like that. I'm just gonna clip these together. I am gonna leave this as an opening. The bag is all together. It's time to turn the right side out. Oh, that's it. I'm so happy with how the tote bag turned out. It's gonna be perfect to hold all the gifts, and it's reversible. Look at that. It's so cute. Like, I kind of want to keep it for myself, but I'm not gonna because it's for a gift. It's my partner's best friend's stepson's birthday, and so this is for him. I kind of want to add a button, but I also want it to be reversible. So I might just leave it. Let's see if everything fits. So I heard that he loves dinosaurs, so Sam got him this Nerf gun. Oh yeah, that fits in there nicely. And he also mentioned he loves fishing, so we got some tackle. And he mentioned that he likes to draw as well, so I got him a sketchbook and some supplies. Little tip markers, a set of pencil crayons, a sharpener, some plain pencils, erasers, pencil case for everything, and 2 sketchbooks. I think it's a pretty cool gift. I hope he likes it. All right, I love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.